Welcome to this Healing Affirmations meditation. Find a position that allows your body to be both comfortable and alert. As you settle in, place one hand on your heart and one hand on your belly, creating a physical connection with your body's healing centers. Take 3 deep, cleansing breaths. With each inhale, imagine drawing in pure, golden, healing light. With each exhale, feel yourself releasing any tension or resistance to healing. Begin by scanning your body from head to toe, acknowledging each area with loving attention. Notice any sensations without judgment. Your awareness itself is a healing force. Now, allow these healing truths to resonate deeply within your being. My body holds infinite wisdom and knows exactly how to heal. My body holds infinite wisdom and knows exactly how to heal. Every cell in my body vibrates with perfect, harmonious health. Every cell in my body vibrates with perfect, harmonious health. I am surrounded by a field of powerful healing energy. I am surrounded by a field of powerful healing energy. My immune system is strong, intelligent, and always working for my highest good. My immune system is strong, intelligent, and always working for my highest good. I welcome and receive healing on all levels: physical, emotional, and spiritual. I welcome and receive healing on all levels: physical, emotional, and spiritual. My body responds perfectly to my loving thoughts and intentions. My body responds perfectly to my loving thoughts and intentions. I release any blocks to healing and open fully to restoration. I release any blocks to healing and open fully to restoration. Every breath carries healing light to every part of my being. Every breath carries healing light to every part of my being. I am whole, I am strong, I am resilient. I am whole, I am strong, I am resilient. My body's natural state is one of perfect balance and harmony. My body's natural state is one of perfect balance and harmony. I trust in my body's remarkable ability to heal and renew. I trust in my body's remarkable ability to heal and renew. Each moment brings me closer to complete wellness. Each moment brings me closer to complete wellness. I am worthy of vibrant health and complete healing. I am worthy of vibrant health breath and complete healing. My healing journey unfolds with grace and ease. My healing journey unfolds with grace and ease. Let these affirmations settle deeply into every cell of your body. Imagine them as seeds of light, taking root and growing stronger with each breath. Feel the warmth of healing energy spreading through your entire being. Begin to deepen your breath, allowing your awareness to expand. Feel the strength and vitality flowing through your body. Know that these healing frequencies continue to work within you long after this meditation ends. Gently wiggle your fingers and toes, maintaining the connection to this healing state. When you're ready, slowly open your eyes, carrying this healing energy with you throughout your day.